Hi students, sorry for the incomplete finishing of my previous video as my phone memory was full. So I will start from that topic about balancing chemical equation. So again I want to tell that for balancing how you will calculate, how you will count how many atoms in a compound when it is quite complicated like this. Say it is Cr2O7 dichromate within bracket thrice, means dichromate 3 times. So how many chromium atoms are there? So how to calculate? Just multiply that 3 with that 2 chromium. So it will be 6 nongs chromium, and that for oxygen 3 sevens are 21. Like this you have to count if it is in bracket, within bracket. Now if 10 before dichromate, then now how many chromium? Very simple, 3 to the 6 and then again multiply. Always you multiply. 3 to the 6, 6 10 is 60, 3 7 is 21, 10 is 210, like this. So I think the previous 3 reaction you will understand. Now I will show you another easy balancing equation like this. Manganese dioxide when reacts with hydrochloric acid gives manganese chloride, chlorine gas along with water. You have to balance the equation. So you always follow the heat and trial method by inspection. We have to see how many atoms are there in both sides. That means which atom contains maximum numbers. So here you can see the maximum numbers are 2. Here is also 2. Here is 2. Here is 2. Also 2. But it is not like this. You can see that Cl atom here is in maximum number. How? Because though it is 2, in every maximum cases the highest number is 2, but you can see chlorine here 2 and here chlorine another 2. So in total chlorine is 4 in the right hand side, but in the left hand side it is only 1 chlorine. So we have to balance first chlorine atom on both sides. So if it is 4 over here, then we have to balance HCl by putting 4 before HCl. If you put 4, then chlorine become 4 and here Cl2 and 2 also 4. Now see, here is hydrogen. How many hydrogen? 4 atoms. But you can see hydrogen here is 2. So to make it 4, you have to put 2 before water. So in that way hydrogen is also balanced. Now what about oxygen? How many oxygen? 2 oxygen. See in the left hand side, 2 oxygen. Oxygen balanced. Manganese 2, 1, sorry 1. Here is also 1. So the equation is completely balanced. Very easy. Now taking another example, it is lead nitrate PbNO3 whole 2. Products are lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and then oxygen. How you will balance? First of all we have to check which atom is present in maximum numbers. So maximum number in the left hand side you can see 3 to the 6 and it is for oxygen. So it is the highest number oxygen. That means we have to check on both sides how many oxygens are there and then we have to balance it first. So In the right hand side you can see 1 oxygen, there is 2, 2 plus 1, 3, and then another 2, it is 5. On the right hand side 5 oxygen, left hand side 6 oxygen. So they are not balanced, we have to first balance them. But see, total is 5, here total is 6. We cannot make 5 to 6 or 6 to 5 because one is odd number, one is even number. So just see in the right hand side which oxygen makes the even number. Definitely in the lead oxide, because there is only one oxygen, due to which the whole oxygen number counting becomes 5. So first we have to make it even. So to make any odd number even, first place 2. If it is not matching, then you can place 4 and then 6, like this. So first of all we will check 2 over here. If I put 2, then see oxygen 2, here the oxygen 2, 2 plus 2 4, here is another oxygen 2, it is 6, total 6 in the right hand side, but in the left hand side also 6. Now if you put 2 here, oxygen balanced both sides, but lead, what about lead? 2 lead, here is only 1 lead, so you have to put 2 over here. So by putting 2, lead is also balanced. Now check the nitrogen. How many nitrogens here? Not 2. It is here nothing but here it is 1. So 2 ones are 2, and then again here also 2. So it will be 2 to the 4 nitrogen. But in the right hand side there is 1 NO2 means 1 nitrogen. So to make it 4, just place 4 below nitrogen, before nitrogen. 4. Now oxygen numbers again disturbed, but you have to check again how many oxygen in the right and left hand side. Just count, multiply 3 to the 6, and then this 2 multiply again, so it is 12. Right hand side you check 2 oxygen, 4 to the 8 oxygen, 8 plus 2 10, and then another 2 12. So the reaction is completely balanced. All the atoms are equal in number in both sides. That's all. These are the easy methods. You collect equations from different books or net and then practice it by balancing. No need to take any book from other source. You don't have any book, no problem. This kind of balancing require no book. Just see the tutorial video and you just practice it. So for practicing, I am giving some homework. So I am giving 10 numbers of reaction. One is one reaction, you have to balance it. Second is aluminum plus chlorine gives AlCl3. Third reaction is KClO3 gives KCl plus O2. Fourth reaction is CaCO3 plus hydrochloric acid gives calcium chloride plus carbon dioxide plus water. Number 5, calcium carbide plus H2O gives acetylene plus calcium hydroxide. Number 6, calcium plus H2O gives calcium hydroxide plus H2. Number 7, copper plus sulfuric acid gives copper sulfate plus sulfur dioxide plus water. Number 8, magnesium hydroxide plus HCl gives magnesium chloride plus water. 9, methane plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide and water. Number 10, ferric chloride plus ammonium hydroxide gives ferric hydroxide plus NH4Cl. So these are the reactions. You have to balance these reactions. Don't be panic. Just be confident how I have explained and how you can understand. Keep practicing it. Any problem, give me message or phone call. Thanks. Best of luck.